To add Instagram to your TikTok profile, open the TikTok app on either Android or iOS. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner to open your profile page. Tap on the Edit Profile button, and at the bottom you should see an option to link your Instagram. If you don't see it, change your account to a creator account. Tap the three dots in the upper right corner, go to Manage Account, and switch to a creator account. Select a category, and your account will be updated. Now go back to Edit Profile and tap Add Instagram. It will prompt you to log into Instagram, either directly or through Facebook if your Instagram is connected there. Simply log in and allow TikTok access. This will add your Instagram profile link to your TikTok bio. Like, subscribe and share if this helped.